Today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is a super helpful trick if you use WhatsApp web often and want faster access right from your desktop without opening Chrome and typing the link every single time. It's quick, simple, and once you set it up, it can save you time every day. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, your start menu, or your applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to WhatsApp web in your browser and let the page load completely. Make sure you wait until everything finishes loading so the shortcut opens the correct version of the site. After that, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find several options for customizing how the browser works. From there, move your mouse over the option that says Cast, Save and Share. A sub-menu will appear, and inside that menu, click Create Shortcut. A small pop-up window should appear on your screen. In that window, you can name the shortcut whatever you want, but for this tutorial, type WhatsApp Web so it's easy to recognize later. You can also choose a custom name if you prefer something shorter or more personalized. Once the name is set, click Create. Chrome will now generate a shortcut for you automatically. In many cases, it will place the shortcut right on your desktop so you can access WhatsApp Web with a single click. Now go to your desktop and check to make sure the shortcut icon is there. If it appears, that means the process works successfully. You can double-click it anytime you want to open WhatsApp Web instantly. And that's it. You've now created a WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference if you use WhatsApp regularly for work, school, or personal messaging. If this tutorial was useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.